and welcome to Fathom Soaps. Today I'm making these soaps with flower embeds. For this you're going to need two types of melt and pour soap, a white and a clear, soap colorant, a fragrance or essential oil. I use some almond oil, and then you're going to need soap molds as well as a smaller soap mold. The smaller soap mold could actually be an ice tray, which is what I used. I found this flower ice tray at IKEA and it was perfect for this project. So to begin, you're going to take your clear melt and pour soap and separate it into microwavable containers. I pre-made my embeds, but it's the same process as it will be to make the clear soap. So while I was waiting for my clear soap to melt, I just went ahead and added all of my soap embeds into the tray to put them where I wanted them. Once the clear soap was melted, I added a teaspoon of almond oil into each container, as well as half a teaspoon of fragrance, and 3 to 4 drops of color. For the color, you're going to be able to tell right away how dark it's going to be. So if you want to start with just a couple drops and give it a stir and then add more to get the color that you're looking for, that might be a good idea. Here, it was my first time using this peach color and it came out a little bit orangey in the container, but then once I added it to the tray with the pink, you could really see the peach color. I just wanted to use both to make it a little bit more interesting, but if you wanted to just keep it one color, that's totally up to you. Soaping is kind of a creative craft, so whatever colors you want to go with is what you go with. After adding my first 2 containers of soap, it wasn't enough to fill the bottom, so I just went ahead and added more pink soap to cover the backs of the flowers. So set this aside, and once it's completely set, you'll be able to take it out of its tray by breaking the airlock seals on the side and then pressing from the bottom. And this is how it came out. I think it looks really nice. I like that you can see the front of each flower, and then on the back you can see the back of the flower, but you can really see the difference between the flower that's covered and the flower that's not, if that makes sense. I just think it looks like such a funky, cool soap. Here you can see the front and the back, and for some reason my camera wasn't really picking up the color, so I went ahead and used my phone to take another video, and here you can see that the peach color kind of runs through the middle and then the pink is on the outside. I don't know, it was just something I wanted to do, but that's totally up to you. As always, thanks for watching. It's so much fun making these videos and I hope you enjoy them. See you next time. Bye!